Hello viewers, welcome to Creative Flute Academy online class. I am KAWSHIK Joardeer. Today I will discuss about some articles of Indian classical music. First of all, I will discuss about Sangeet. What is Sangeet? Sangeet is the combination of Geet, Badya and Nritya. Geet, what is Geet? Lyrics and tunes means Geet. Badya, all musical instrumental tones accompanied with lyrics and tunes means Badya. Nritya means dances. What is dances? To express some expression or to express lyrics, tunes and musical instrumental tones expression through the movement of body parts or dance. Otherwise we can say that dance means the body language to express lyrics, tunes and musical tones. So that Sangeet is a vast subject, is a divine subject. Each of them is particular art and subject. Geet is a particular subject and art. Badya is a particular subject and art. Nritya is also a particular part, subject or art. In our Creative Flute Training Center, our class will belongs to musical instrumental tones. Because of our class will run on Bansuri flute. We are learning Bansuri flute, so that we are belonging to musical instrumental tones. Because of we learning Bansuri flute. This is the instrument, musical instrument. Thank you all to visit our page Creative Flute Academy online class. Stay with us to get new class of our academy, Creative Flute Academy online. Thanks all.